Well, you remember first, I remember earlier I talked about this chair. So on the left here is the chair with another color scheme from what we looked at the start of the presentation. We now have a sort of beigey look for the upholstery. We have a darker, redder, browner wood for the structure of the chair. And so, we can go to a manufacturer's website, such as this one from Sasago, to be able to, go and be able to define the materials for this particular piece of furniture that we want. Once we have that, we can bring that into Archicad, right, to create the object. Now, the blue one, the chair up here of the upper right, is the one we created originally. And this particular chair, you can see, it looks great, but we decided that we don't want that color scheme for it. We want the other material color scheme over here, but we've already generated this object. So can we just simply refine that object? And the answer is yes. So once you've created an AI object in ModelPort now, we can continue to refine that object. So here's a good example. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and click the Refine with AI button. It's then going to bring up my ModelPort AI generator dialog again. And within that AI generator dialog, there's an option there, the button called Image to Texture. Now, what this allows me to do is to select a new image that I want to create as a texture. Now, the way that AI works is whenever it generates a 3D model, it also generates a texture for that 3D model for all the different materials. So it's one texture for all the materials. It's not like separate ones for it. So you have to regenerate the texture for that 3D model. And so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and select that new texture or that new image of which is the new configuration over here. And then we're going to click the Refine Model button for Image to Texture. When we do that, it's now going to create a new, it's going to take the existing model that we had, and it's going to refine it with the new texture. So with the new colors, new materials for this model. So we didn't create a new 3D model, we simply redefined this one. So again, you could create a new one, or you could redefine the existing model you have with a new texture. And this is a great way, again, of being able to bring in, if you're working with a client and they decide to change the color scheme or material, whatever, of an AI generated model that you did previously, you can simply bring in a new image and then update that model with that new image.